how to make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing tips for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down a bunch of steps you can use to actually make your first $1,000, because this is exactly what I did to make my first dollars online. But before I kind of get into that, my name's Andy Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing so you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. So, and just as a bit of social proof, I've been able to generate sales like this and sales like this repeatedly over and over again for my affiliate marketing business. But this isn't about me, this is about you. And I've been able to help students from all over the world start making commissions online through what I've taught them. So we've got Dave King here from the UK, who's making commissions from what I taught him. We've got Pascal Kurz here from Germany, who is making commissions from what I taught him. And we've got Srini from India, who's also making commissions from what I've taught him. So if any of you want more information on how these people are actually doing this stuff, I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training I've put together on that. So the very first thing that you're going to need is for you to be able to pick a niche, okay? And there are three main niches within the online space, and they are health, wealth, and relationships. And within those niches, there are multiple different sub-markets which you can go for, right? So now we've selected the niche, the next thing you want to do is you want to do a bit of market research so you can really understand what their pains are, what are their needs, what are their desires. Because when you can understand this stuff, you can use this stuff in your marketing and you can make them feel like you've just kicked their bruised knee and then educate them on why what you're selling is a solution to their problems. Market research is going to be a key point for you to be able to create content that actually resonates and engages with your audience. So this is why we really want to do this market research stuff, and we're going to get more into the content side of things in just a second. So the next thing you want to do is you want to pick a product which relates to your niche. Okay, so we've already done a bit of the market research. We already know exactly, what niche we're going to go for. So the next thing you want to do is pick a product. Now, if you are on a tight budget and you want to go for the free affiliate programs, then I recommend going to either ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ShareASell. However, the private affiliate programs are going to be much better. They just tend to be better quality and they tend to pay much higher commissions as well. So if any of you are looking for a private affiliate program to go and promote, I recommend clicking on the first link in the description and checking out the free training I put together on that. High ticket affiliate marketing is going to be the fastest path for you to be able to hit your first 1K with affiliate marketing. And it's just a case of simple maths. Okay. If you're selling something high ticket that pays you $1,000, then you only need to make one sale in order to hit that 1K that you're looking for. Now, if you are selling something that's paying you $100 commissions, you need to make 10 sales, which is going to be a much more painstaking task than just being able to make one sale, right? So I do recommend going for something high ticket, which pays much higher commissions in order for you to be able to do that. Okay, so the method that I want to teach you in this video is Facebook organic marketing. Okay, this is how I made my first dollars online. This is how my clients were doing it as well. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your Facebook profile is optimized. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is we want to basically get a cover photo made up, right? So you can either do this for free on canva.com. If you're good with that sort of stuff, you're good with graphic design. If you're not very good, then I recommend going either onto Fiverr.com and you can literally pay someone like $5 or $10 or £5 or £10, whatever country you're in, and get somebody to make one of these for you. But we want to optimize cover photos so that when somebody lands on our Facebook profile, they know exactly what it is that we do. And if we click on this, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you exactly where to put these links in just a second. But as you can see on the right-hand side here, it says click here for free training. And we want all of the links on our Facebook profile to redirect into the same thing. So it could be your funnel that you've built, it could be the affiliate product, whatever link it is you decide to put on your profile, you want them all linking to the same place. Okay, so now we've got that one out of the way. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a clear profile photo with a headshot of you smiling, preferably. That's not exactly mandatory, but you definitely want a clear headshot. We don't want any sort of avatar or a rose field or anything like that, because when people click on your profile, it's just going to show them that you're just some shady character, and they're not really going to get to, they're just basically going to bounce from your profile, right? So when somebody clicks on your profile photo, again, we can have the same link here. Click here for free training, all right? So we want the exact same link that we've got on the cover photo. And if we scroll down, as you can see on the intro section, then you have, free training for affiliate marketers. We have the same link there, and then we have the same link down here again, right? And then also we have our social media platforms, which we can add into our profile as well. So as you can see, I'm just linking people out to my YouTube channel, because that is my main channel for marketing these days. So I personally don't market on Facebook anymore. But another thing that we want to do is we want to have 3 to 5 pieces of content on your Facebook profile which relates to your niche. So that way, when people click onto your profile, they can see you're not just some fly-by-night person, and it's just giving them a bit more information about what it is that you do, and they can see that you're actually an authority in the marketplace, right? So the next thing that we want to do is we want to go into, now we've got our Facebook profile optimized. The next thing we want to do is we want to go into Facebook groups, okay? Because we don't want to just reinvent the wheel. Facebook already has a bunch of Facebook groups where your audience is already hanging out, right? So we just go onto here, right? And if we have a look, as you can see, it says, side hustle ideas. I could type in affiliate marketing. And then what I want to do is I go over here onto the left-hand side and I just click on groups, and I can literally just join some of these groups here, right? So just to give you an example for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using this affiliate marketing group up here. It's got 186,000 people in here. And what I can do is I can just go onto people. And if I scroll down to members with things in common, I can literally just scroll through and I can start adding people from here, right? So you preferably want to add people from members with things in common rather than just adding people from other parts of the group. If I click on this one, it should go straight through. Facebook gets a little bit funny about you adding people that you don't know. So it's always best to go for members with things in common, because that way Facebook has no issue, because they think that, right, because you know this person, you may know this person as well, right? So what you want to do is go through that group and add 50 to 100 people, okay? And then what you can do is when people accept your friend request, then you can simply message them. And what I recommend doing is I don't recommend just spamming your links, okay? I definitely don't recommend just dropping your links in the DMs, because that stuff doesn't work. It's never worked and it's never going to work. What I recommend doing is using a method called SPIN, okay? And SPIN stands for situation, problem, implication, need, payoff. Okay, so find out a little bit about the situation. Are there any problems that you can help them with? What are the implications of these problems that they're experiencing? And is there actually a need for your services, right? Really simple. You don't have to overcomplicate this, guys. And if there is a need for your services, then only then should you really be dropping your affiliate links. And then what's going to happen then is that's going to send traffic to your affiliate offers. And if somebody clicks on that link and then purchases, then it's going to add commissions into your account. And that is how I recommend making your first $1,000 online. Like I said, this is exactly how I made my first dollars online. It was using this exact same method, which is going into Facebook groups, finding traffic that way and doing it that way. Okay, so my name's Andy Mattis. I'm out. And if any of you are looking for a free training on how to start, grow, or scale your affiliate marketing business to 6 figures using my Ollie framework, I recommend clicking on the first link in the description and checking out the free training I put together on that. I'll catch you on the next one.